Hi guys, it's about Invoice Ninja. And I've created a script to automate things like installations, backups, and updates. So it's about saving time and taking a lot of hassle of you because the installation from scratch or in a shell, in a command line interface, can be time consuming. And I've automated some things with the manage script, and I'll show you how it works. So basically, we need a running web server, a bash shell, obviously the credentials for the web server and the database, and a little bit of knowledge about Invoice Ninja. Here in this case, I've already created my virtual machine. My web server is running, and I know where I want to put it. So this user share nginx local.invoiceninja.vm is my base directory, but it will not be my doc root. My doc root will be Invoice Ninja slash public. And so this is my base directory, and here I want to have my Invoice Ninja directory. So I start with the installation of the script because this script does everything. So everything automatically. You don't need to do anything additionally. So it has identified where I am, which directly contains your Invoice Ninja installation folder. This will be this folder. So I just press enter. What's the installation directory name must be relative to this folder where I am now. So by standard, it's Invoice Ninja. I press enter. Where shall backups go? In the same directory. You can change it. I take it as is. So I am cool with grabbing database data. You must decide yourself. And obviously, I know I'll be running the www-data user. So I press enter again. Automatically, this script identifies which shell we use. And it identifies which PHP we use. And I'm also cool just to have two backups. But you can put any number. It's no drill. So that's basically it. We've got configured the script. That's everything. What happened is we have now the installation folder of the script and a symlink to run the script. And if I want to run the script, I need to decide how I do it because obviously you can't go back and forth with the wrong credentials. So I know I'm running this www/data user, so I need to run this line to call the script. So for now, obviously we don't have any Invoice Ninja installed. And we have two different options how to install Invoice Ninja. So I could do a clean installation, or I could do a provisioned installation. Because in the folder manage, we have here a env example. And this file is basically taken from taken from the GitHub of Invoice Ninja. And I'll do this as someone who's able to write. So I wanna have my new machine in a special location, like local.invoiceninja.vm, and I know it's HTTPS. My database is localhost. My database is what's it called? I say INDB. And I want the username INDB. And I want the password INDB pass. And in order to create such a database and such a username, I need someone who's able to do that, like the user root of MySQL or MariaDB. And my password is very, 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 very confidential. So that's basically it to start an installation. But I could, if I wanted to, add as much as pre-configurations as needed, like especially the SMTP settings or something. We got a link here in the documentation for mail. Let's have a look. Yeah, I could add all these information already into this file, but I am fine with the things I've got. So I keep on. So I exit here, I save it, yes, and I move it. Now I move it from, I, I'm not really moving it, I rename it from env.example to .env provision, because now it has become a trigger. Let's have a look what happened. We see now there's the provision file, and I'm very, very bold. I just called the script with no additional command line options or anything. So I go with my line. I've got it here. I don't need to do it by hand. Let's see what happens. Wow. Wow. That's bold. Damn. What does it say? It looks somehow like a complete installation has happened. So we've, I can't believe it. There's the folder, Invoice Ninja. And we got a login here, and a username, and a password. And we should do a backup. Okay, let's do that. So meanwhile, it's doing this backup. I read what we've got here. Don't forget to set the cron job. So it gives me everything I need for the cron job in my local environment or scheduled backups. Ah, there I see an issue. I need to fix this one here. That's obviously wrong, but I'll do it. So let's have a look what happened here. We have basic installation and the call to make our first backup. So we have now here a complete backup of the Invoice Ninja and with its database, of course. So we didn't have a look what happened here. So this is my web server, which I didn't load so far. So let's have a look what happens. Holy cow. Admin at admin.com. Password admin. Login. Wow. I'd say this is really, really cool. I think I'll stop the video here because the task is done. We've installed Invoice Ninja in a provisioned environment in literally no time.